the ever so gorgeous Kareena Kapoor Khan. Welcome, so good to see you. And साथ में यहाँ पे I'd like to invite on stage someone who's revolutionized the Indian television space, ladies and gentlemen, and of course the movies, and she's been ruling the digital domain as well. Give it up for Ekta R. Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen, the producer Sahiba, she's here. We can do better, we can make some more noise here. सीटियाँ तो बज रही थी मेरे को पता है यहाँ पे. Welcome, welcome Ekta, so good to see you. Thank you so much. And now, as I said, ये जो भी परोसते हैं बड़े कमाल का परोसते हैं ladies and gentlemen. इनका काम बड़ा क्रेडिबल होता है और जब जब बड़े पर्दे पे देखते हैं वो इनक्रेडिबल बन जाता है. Give it up for the maverick director Hansal Mehta, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. And I would like to congratulate the entire team here, and of course we have these wonderful people here. Kareena, I'd like to start with you. You know, this is your year, definitely. This is your year. First, it was Crew, जो कि box office को आपने दी. उसके बाद, of course, the Buckingham Murders, the most awaited project of this year, and now आने वाला है Singham again. So first of all, talk to us about this journey of yours, 2.5 decades as the leading lady of the Indian film industry.
I think I should leave that all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think yeah, probably that, hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komal ji also, what are the collections of this movie, that movie. So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरे रगों में दौड़ रहा है, मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती, मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever.
Forever, I'm sure.
जैसे I think this is a film which is very very special to I think all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे हैं वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है, आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together, and whatever we've done, we've always been super successful, and I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, you know, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important, and I'm so happy that in my career graph I've had the opportunity to work with him, because I've worked with so many directors, and I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much, and yeah, that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kareena Kapoor Khan, of course, the superstar. We did talk about that, but Kareena Kapoor Khan, the producer, talk to us about that.
That is the producer is here.
Kareena, you have produced this film.
Yes.
I have produced this film. How? I have only listened to Hansal and Ekta. I don't listen to anyone else. That's all. So I've produced it by believing in the script.
Yes.
That's what.
The biggest internationally all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they wanted to make films they believe in. And then they've got billion dollar companies after that. This is your beginning.
I hope
Reese
so.
Witherspoon?
I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me. Bigger and better.
We are manifesting awesomeness, ladies and gentlemen, on this stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, of course, for this team.
I also want to add one thing that, you know, I think most people love to watch a good crime thriller. You know, जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होते कि क्या है आप, you know, तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit.
Thank you
At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But yeah, watch it for a great fun experience of a crime thriller.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ekta, this one's for you as a producer. You've produced and backed some of the most wonderful projects. Of course, we talk about commercial pot boilers. We've seen all of that on the big screen. Here, you know, edge of the seat thriller with this Kamal ki cast and of course the Maverick director. How did this unfold for you? Tell us about that.
So, I mean, just because it's a credible entertainer, how is it not commercial?
Okay, I take my
Just
first
the
back.
basic understanding of this film, the film's full cost is covered, including P&A, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success from day one, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not. And it's all because of one actor who everyone wants. The pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legit Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
She said it, yeah. She said it, ladies
I
and
have to
gentlemen.
say it, this is the numbers that speak, you know. And because of that, I think what we have with us is from day one, we have a super hit in our hands.